Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have a very nice Storm King petrol lighter advertising the Bicentennial of America, 1776 to 1976, our 200th anniversary. This lighter is two-toned in the case, but the illustrations thereon may have another color or two. Very nice flip top insert style petrol lighter. This lighter shows scuffs, scrapes, dings, general wear, scratches. It does not have its original insert. Had a problem or two, and I could not repair it. So it has an old Park Sherman, Springfield, Illinois insert in it. It's a very attractive lighter, and these Park lighters are very good, very dependable at lighting up a cigarette. It's a very clean case despite the scuffs and wear that have already been noted. I believe it is anodizing, which puts the color on the lighter, and most of the color appears to be intact. I'm not sure what that building is. I'm sure it's something in Washington, D.C., or maybe Philadelphia. I'm not sure. The Liberty Bell's in Philadelphia, I believe. I don't know what that building is. It doesn't look familiar to me. Maybe somebody can tell me. If you enjoy watching videos about old petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you are watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button. Send that link off in a text, email, post it on social media, however it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. You can leave any comments or questions below the video. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like us across all the social media platforms. That'll be Dependable Flame or dependableflame.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. There may be some other blemishes, I don't know, stains, scuffs, marks. I'm not sure how you describe some of that stuff, but as I said, it does not take away from the appearance of the lighter. It had an aluminum insert in it, and I am certain that this lighter was probably produced in 1975 or 1976. I don't know, maybe a little earlier than that, sometime in the mid 70s. So we have a Storm King lighter marked Murfreesboro, Tennessee, USA, presumably from the mid-70s, since it's advertising the Bicentennial in 1976. The case is aluminum, both top and bottom, and you can see the color is the same inside. So I believe that's whatever anodizing means, whatever that process consists of. I think it's a more full-on process than plating. I'm sure that makes a lot of sense. Anyway, back to the insert. The insert is marked Precision, made by Park Sherman, Springfield, Illinois, USA. I believe it's still got the original wick in it, and was just able to pull that up and snip it off. But as has already been noted, this insert is not original to the lighter, but in my opinion is a serious upgrade to the aluminum insert that it originally housed. So I'm going to sell it with this insert, as this is the only suitable insert that I had available. If you haven't checked out the DependableFlame.com eBay store yet, make sure you do that. Every purchase that you make will benefit HDSA, Huntington's Disease Society of America, including 3 penny start auctions each month, where 100% of the proceeds of those auctions benefit HDSA. Auctions start at a penny, free shipping. Wherever they end, you pay that amount, the charity gets the money, and everybody is happy. Make sure when you're over there on eBay that you follow us so that you get the notification when those new listings come up. You don't want to be left out in the cold because you didn't know a new lighter had been listed. Also, when you're there looking at the YouTube channel, make sure you hit the bell so that you're notified when each new video is published, rather than you having to go find it or waiting on the algorithm to tell you. The case really didn't have a lot of char or evidence that it had been used a lot as far as lighting cigarettes or being lit at all. The original insert was more, showed more damage from the flint that had turned to dust and spread throughout the solid fuel cell that was in it and dirtied that. So really not missing anything with that. Just a piece of aluminum with a small piece of wick and that solid piece of foam for a fuel cell. Well, here you're getting a much more robust metal and, as I said, in my opinion, an upgrade of the insert, even if it's not original. It seems to be very reliable. And Would look really good being pulled out of somebody's pocket to light up a joint on the 4th of July this summer. Until next time.